Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be working in my Hobonichi cousin, the A5 size for the week of 4/18 to 4/24, and I decided this week to give this a try. We'll see how it goes. I am going to be using a book, just one book. Hopefully everything will come out of here, and if not, well then, we tried. This is the Stay Wild, Wild styled book from the Happy Planner. I don't think I've taken any stickers out of here yet, so it should be a full book. So we should have hopefully lots of options. So yeah, let's start and see what we can come up with. The first thing I'm going to look for is some, instead of washi tape, some sticker to go across the bottom. And so I was thinking about trying to incorporate these two, but I just thought I'd look really quick through and make sure there wasn't something else that struck my fancy. That's cute too. I know they have some printed leopard stuff, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. Those are cute. Like they have that one, which is cute. And then they have the leopard print with the pink. And then this leopard print. I think that might be it. Yeah. Okay. So maybe I'll start with these two. And one says live with intention every day. The only thing with these is they aren't going to be quite long enough, but I think if I center them, they'll be good enough, if you will. I don't use the after 8 or 9 o'clock area for anything but kind of record keeping, tracking of my businesses and what they're doing. And then, so yeah, I just make this split because it seems kind of easy. That one says live for today, plan for tomorrow. So now we're going to find a sticker for right here, hopefully. Go away the back again. It's going to have to be smaller than those, that's for sure. I love all the gratitude stuff in here. That might be cute. It says follow your wildest dreams. This one says gratitude wins what we have, turns what we have into enough. No. I can read. Escape the ordinary. That's cute too. I'm stressed. Do your best. Forget the rest. I kind of wanted a little bit more color though than that. I think I like this, but I also think it's a little muted. Joy in the ordinary. This is such a cute book. Okay, let's see. Here, an original. Word itself says, I am possible. Audrey Hepburn. Always a good quote. It's a little too gold for what I'm looking for, though. Okay. That's awesome. Okay, let's go back. We could do that, but that has kind of the pinks in it, and this is more the gold, so maybe I should go back to the gold. Who knew? Such a hard decision. Okay, I'm going to say follow your wildest dreams. Let's start with that. And put that one down here. And then let's find a small one up here. Big things often have small beginnings. I like that. Okay. And then let's find like a to-do, important priority. Find something. See, these are so cute. Looking for something for right here. I'm sure they have it, I just gotta find it. That's kind of cute, but it doesn't quite fit on what I need. This might be a bummer. I wasn't expecting to not be able to find it. So maybe we'll take one of these to-dos I have, and we'll just stick it right there. That's good enough. That's from Mandolin Plans. It's nice to have those random words and whatnot. Okay, and then I just want to find a couple things to put on here. I need to leave space for everything that I need, but I thought maybe this doesn't have a lot of boxes though, so it kind of makes it a little interesting. Those are all, we could cut those up though. I'm gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. Okay, watch. So I like this. Yeah. And I'm just gonna make it work. So we'll cut pretty much the white off. It's not perfect. And then I'm just gonna stick these right here. And I'm gonna have to cut them off just so they don't overlap too much. And that's not straight, but that should be covered, so we should be okay. And then we'll just cut the white off the bottom. Oops. Thought I could get that. Trying to make these even, but got a little taller on that one somehow. But I'm okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. I just love that I can repurpose stickers that aren't always exactly what I'm looking for, but I can make them what I want. I think that's the whole, like, you know, I know that you can make them what you need. Okay. I'll put this one right here. Cut that off. Let's see if I can do it straight without. Oopsie. Making it stick other places. Okay, so there's that. Now I'm going to go back to this book and see if I can find something for Sunday. Box-wise, that would work. I'm going to have to slice up some more stickers. That would work. Might be a little long, but you know. We can make it work. There we go. Okay. All right. Let's see if there's anything else we can add just for bringing in some more color. And then I really just love this pretty big darling. I thought maybe I'd stick that on the weekend because there's a little less happening generally on weekends for me. Okay, awesome. So, okay, all of this was from this Wild Styled book from the Happy Planner, except for this one. And, you know, we made it work. Cut a few stickers. They're not perfect, but they work for me. It gives me plenty of space to put things in, but it still makes it like functional but creative, and I love that. So anyways, I hope you liked this video. If you did, I'd love it if you give it a thumbs up, and I'd love to see you back here again. So if you're not a subscriber, hit that red subscribe button, and we will see you again next time. Have an amazing day, you guys.